Hey folks, so I let my friend borrow my drone, and this is the result. So it crashed it, and the gimbal is broken. Now today, I am going to show you how to remove this gimbal and camera. Okay. Now the tool you need is a plier, screwdriver, and a hex tool. Now, um, if you still have some of these accessories that came with the drone, then you can use this accessory to reinstall the drone, the gimbal and the camera without having to try to save those pegs. So I'll tell you it in a minute here. Okay, so these accessories that came with your tool package are the pegs and the dampeners. Okay, if you still have this, then you can definitely use this to replace the gimbal and the camera when you reinstall it. Now if you don't have it, and you have to see two of these legs come with the pegs to hold it. So if you don't have this extra one, then you would have to try to save these pegs. Now from what I've learned is that these these pegs, the fastener is pretty malleable and soft, so you can just use a small um, screwdriver and go in between and peel back the fastener, so then you can take it out without having to cut the peg. Otherwise you would have to cut the peg to take it out, to remove it. Okay, so there's one there, and the other one's over here. Okay, so if you slowly peel back the fastener, you can just remove it without having to cut the peg. Okay, okay, now that you have those out, then you can remove the dampeners. Okay, now once you remove the dampener, there's a couple of cables right in here. Okay, this is the communication cable that comes up right to the the gimbal, and you can pull that out. Okay, now the next couple of things is there's these two wires here, the black and the gray wire, and those two wires are interconnected somehow where it's not easily removed. So what I did was I went ahead and used the plier and snip it. Now when I snip it, I let it remain some cord each side. So if you were to reinstall a different gimbal and camera, you can hot wire the wires together instead of having to open this up or open this up completely to take out those wires. Okay, so once you snip those, okay, with the wire cutter, then you can remove this part. Okay, now the broken camera is removed. Okay, now then you have this tool here. If you want to, the hex tool, okay, to remove the rest of the gimbal setup, you just unscrew it. Okay, then there goes the other pegs out here. When you install a new gimbal, and you make sure you gotta change all four of these dampeners. Okay, that's it. There you have it, folks. Remember to subscribe and click like. Have a good day.